Many restoration companies don't realize that the IICRC has always called for air testing to be done on every restoration job. Many of you are familiar with doing post-testing for mold work. But if you go back and review those documents, you'll see that that requirement is there. It's something that we ignored because over the years, the testing methodology was time prohibitive to use it. With new advanced digital technology that Integrity Air Quality has, we can provide real-time readings on every single job, pre and post, on water, fire, mold, etc. The most important part of all of this is that the testing reveals the need for more air scrubbers on these jobs. That delivers revenue right to your bottom line. Not just revenue, but profit, because your cost when you're on the job to get the technician out there and deliver the equipment and etc., all of that is already sunk. So if you can put 2 or 3 more air scrubbers on every job as a result of finding the airborne problems that our instant technology reveals, real-time readings, room to room, help you understand the full scope of the problem and allow you to fix it. We're not selling technology, we're not selling equipment, so there's no cost to you except to understand more about how we're driving profitability and improving profitability for the other companies that we work with. Give me a call.